Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing really good. And so today topic is your database really secure? So the tool which we are going to use is called as SQL Map, and we will try to find vulnerabilities in the particular website. So we are going to test these two website. The first would be our official website, and second would be testphp.web.com. So here if we found some vulnerabilities, so let's say so in this video we will try to crack a username and password of this website by finding the vulnerabilities, and I will also run the vulnerability command on this website, and you will see that it don't get any results out of it. So before starting this video is just for educational purpose, and we don't want our viewers to do some unethical stuff out of it. Let's get started. So the machine I'm using is Linux distribution as Parrot OS, and it's very good for network security and doing penetration testing. So type for SQL Map and open. So you can see that we will be getting many options. You can type SQL Map, and you can give .h for help, .v for verbose, targets, requests, injection, detection, techniques, enumeration. So you can read about it, and we will be making some good courses on SQL Map, so to give you a in-depth tutorial of how it works. So for this video we will just test vulnerabilities, and we will try to crack username and password of this website. So I will type SQL Map and U. So U stand for providing the URL. So URL was php.pul and web.com, and then we will give an option of crawl. So crawl is something like it will crawl inside the URL. If we find something, it will go one more level to crawl the details. And then we will give one more option as batch. So batch is it will choose all the default option which will come in this particular command, and then we will choose a level. So we can go to level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 3 can be really very dangerous. So by default it choose level only, and then we will go with the union technique. Technique is equals to union. So you can read about techniques. So there are many techniques available, and also we can give threads and verbose mode, but you can test this command, and in this option you can see a list of things we can provide as a parameter. So I think this will be good for finding out the vulnerabilities. If I hit enter, see it will run, and it will search for the vulnerabilities on the target URL. So see this, we get the vulnerabilities. It also detect what kind of web server it's running on, what kind of technology it's using, backend and everything. So here we get vulnerabilities on this URL, this URL, and this URL, and all our results are being stored in a CSV file under this folder. So now let's exploit this URL. So I will just copy it, I will clear, and then we will type SQL Map provide URL. Then we want to find about the current user, current DB, host name, and the batch will be for default. Then I will run this. So you can see that current user is this thing, and database is this, and server host name is this, and all our results are getting stored under this folder. So if I want to find all the database which are inside here, I just have to provide DBS. So it will give all the database which are available, and then if I want to find the table, I will just give -t the name of the database, which is this, and then the tables. So it will run and it will find all the tables, and we want to find so we want to crack username and password. So we will find the vulnerabilities or find the results inside this table users. So it will be capital T and name of the table. Then we will run dump. So dump will give us all the results. So it's running. I will do yes. So do you want to crack them via dictionary attack? So there is some hash found inside this. So in another video we can check about dictionary based attack, but for this I will give no. So this was the hash. Okay, this is not the hash. This is the cart ID. And name, pass, email, phone, username. So we want username as test and password as test. Okay. And all our results are getting stored here. So let's try with username and password here. So I will give username as test and password as test. And if I log in, see, I'm logging, I get every details here. So it's not that easy, because this website is made for vulnerabilities only. That's why it was easy to get username and password, but in reality the password also get stored in the hash values, and the steps are like very much in depth, not this much straightforward. So in the coming videos I will tell you like how tough it can be to crack the passwords. Okay. Then I will do logout test, and then I will try to find some vulnerabilities over here also. So I will click on this and I will try to provide URL over here. Let's see if it works or not. See, it will give no usable link found with get parameters. So it can be tough. So in coming videos I will create some application, and I will make it using SQL database, and then we will try to crack it, and I will try to implement all the securities and which are getting used in market these days, and we will see that if SQL map is really that worthy to find details or not. So for this video I think it's a good start with SQL map, and you can read about SQL map and it's good for learning. And in the coming videos or coming courses we will see in depth like how it works from the starting with all the parameters we will test. We will start with .crawl, and like we have used 2, we will use 1, 2 and 3 and like that, and batch level. So we will break this command and we will try to implement more techniques. So you can learn about it over Google or some documentation to get a more idea about this. So thanks for viewing this video. Hit a like and subscribe, and take care. Bye.